Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can choose the fixed timing pulse contacts in Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our CX programmer software and here we will create a new project. So already this is connected with the PC, this PLC. This model, if you like to be see, you can see it here in the window. Can go to then properties. Also, this is general name. If you like to be changed, you can change it here. CP1E and 60. So in this video, our topic is any fixed timing pulse contact. So how we can choose? So just click on this contact and put it here, and just here click, and you will be see the all contact types which you like to be choose. You can choose it here, but we have to be choose this pulse type contacts. So this is first yani 0.02 seconds pulse contact generator, and this is second is P0 0.1 second, and that's one 0.2 second, and this is for 1 minute, and this is for 1 second. So this, for example, I first choose this one P1 second, because of if we choose this one uh, first, it's very too high generated pulses after PLC could be not so look like any too many high pulses generated 0.2 milliseconds, and click OK. This is when using 1 second pulse. So and next we can choose that any output, that's depend on you. Any you can choose, for example 100.0 I will choose, and just only for status are like to be explaining you this one. Next we will choose the open contact of the 100.0, and one increment we can make it here to see the here is you can choose increment and decrement, and first this one I will choose 590 and click OK, and here you can choose any data register, for example D0 I will choose and click enter. When you use this command, you will use by your own logic. I am just only for an example tell you. So also if you next more program like to be create, you can compare commands also you can use with this data register. For example D0 you can compare it here, and next release you can be operate. But I think so if you purpose understand about the this pulse generator, after you will be able to do the logic in for your own creation. So I download this one into the PLC and click OK, and yes, and click OK, make it online. And now as per scene you can see this one, and this P1, this is each and every second it will automatically giving pulse, not anybody giving. This is the fixed timing pulse from the Omron PLC brand, and this giving the increments to add this data register. After this data register you can choose in the program. But one mistake we will make, that if you like to be single per pulse, each and every seconds you like to be count. So what we will do, stop this one and just only here go to the differentiate, and up or down you can choose this one. Look like in other PLC languages we used called this one rising edge or trig, look like any. So again I will download this PLC to the PLC, and now you can see the behave of this pulse. Single pulses coming here. I will make it 0 first, this one, to you better understand. You can see now this is each and every second it's giving the pulse, and it's here counting this increment data register also counting this pulses. But this pulse giving each and every second giving the one pulse, and this pulse you can use it for blinking programs or whatever, where you like to be high pulses like to be generate, you can give the pulses. You can see it's now here increment coming without anything. So and one more pulse I will share with you. So here we will choose this one contact, choose just direct here and go to the details, and this is 1 second and this is for 1 minute, yani each and every minute after this will be give the pulse, and click OK. And here also you can use output, for example 100.2, and with this contact we will make the, we will use the open contact of 100.2. We can make the set, also we can use the set 100.3. no, can't this one look like, delete, and here we can choose that one. Go to the find instruction, and here you can IO unit sequence output, yeah, here's reset, and here you can see the set this one and make, and here you can give the name of for example 100.3 and click OK. And after here one more we can choose for reset also, but that will be set, and of the 100.P1 we can choose this one, yeah, 100.2 contact also we can choose, close contact we will use 100.2 of the close contact we will make the reset. Where is the sequence control, that one, no sequence output, it reset 100.3. What this program will be do, I don't know, but we will create and check. Click OK. And for this one, now this is reset. When this command coming after 1 minute, this will be have to be go to set. So let's wait for 1 minute, and we will check also time, we can check it here from the, yeah, see now you can see this is now close, this is now stop, and this is now go to the set. And this is how much time for this one set, 1 minute after this will be go to close. Because of this signal is each and every minute after provide the signal. After 1 minute this will be go to automatically reset. Because of when this pulse will be finished, after this will be go to close, and after, yeah, you can see this now go to automatically reset. So this way you can use this. Have any other more also 0 point, this is 1 minute, this is 1 second, have 0.2 second, 0.3 second also. You can use this pulse generator contacts. This is very useful in the program. See, now this is our on this 100.0 is 100.03 is now go to set condition, and when this will be time finished 1 minute, after this will be go to reset. So hope guys you will be understand about this is pulse fixed timing pulse contacts. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.